How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. First thing you have to do is tap on the uh, dollar icon at the bottom left corner of your screen to head over to your Bitcoin app and just tap on the Bitcoin option to open it up. Now, once you are here on this page, you can scroll down and you can find different options here to deposit Bitcoins and get paid. And then if you tap on the deposit Bitcoin button, you could just get your wallet ID from there. So if you have any other wallets connected to it, you could just copy the ID from there. And then you can scroll up and here you can find the little arrow icon right beside sell. Just tap on it and then tap on send Bitcoin. Now from here, all you have to do is select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, or you could just do it in US dollars as well if you tap on the arrow right below. Now enter the amount that you want to send. Right on top, you will find your available balance as well. And then if you tap on the send button here, you're going to paste the wallet ID on the next page that you've just copied and select the wallet ID right beside the blue arrow down below to select it. And then tap on done and then next. From here, select your withdrawal speed. So the priority one is it's going to arrive in 10 minutes, but it's going to be $3.29 on fee. And in rush, it's going to be 2 hours and it's going to be somewhere around $2 in fee. And standard is free. So just select whatever you want and then tap on next, then confirm. And once you've done that, you've initiated the wallet withdrawal and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.